Well, dear students, class 10, JSS English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka, and I am your English faculty, ma'am, Shashwati Chaudhary, in front of you. So let us continue with the lesson, Unit 5, the concert Shanta Rameshwar Rao has written, and obviously we are now in the part where listen and comprehend that word speak well. Already in the last video lesson you have got that in which way I have told you that speak well and good English language. So some portrait given in your textbook, always follow the textbook, read at random your textbook, sitting with all the attachment papers, make notes and write down all question answers, important notes, important exercises, everything, even grammar notes also I am collecting from internet and accordingly matching with your textbook. That things I will surely give you, and you will also make notes, reading part from the attachment, but make the notes immediately, write in the notebook. Okay, 10th group, very good children, most welcome to you in this education field. Try to become successful in your future life. Now see, here it is, page number 99, read and respond, one flow chart. So I have written some points. Now dear students, it is up to you. And before going to start this one, you know that it is today's date 5/12/2020, prose the concert Shanta Rameshwar Rao, and it is learning points, read and respond, learn grammar, practice writing and so on, according to all the exercises given in your English textbook. Well student, see this one. Smita reads the newspaper. After this, Pandit Ravi Shankar will play tomorrow. It's the chance of a lifetime, Anand said. Smita's eyes filled with tears. The spellbound Smita listened to the ragas. Ustad Allah Khan and Pandit Ravi Shankar promised to play together tomorrow morning. Now in different way, you can connect different other points and you can make the flow chart. It's up to your creativity skills and your knowledge. Then you come to the point, practice writing, drafting and invitation. This is a letter of invitation to a music concert. Read carefully. Please open your textbook, page 100, that is page 100. Gana Bharati, Mysuru, and invitation to music concert. We cordially invite you to the 29th music program of the Gana Bharati Association at 6 p.m. in 6 o'clock evening on 25th January, 2017. So if you get the question paper 21, so you have to write whatever the date, your exam date, and after that, after English exam, 2 to 3 days or 1 week post date, and year will be 2021. So these are things you should be careful. Pattern will be like that. President and members. Program, vocal, Vidwan M.V. Satish Chandra, violin, Vidwan Shomeshwara, Mridangam, Vidwan Tumakuru, Shadashiva, Ghatam, that is Ghatam. Ghatam is a very good South Indian Karnataki. When concert is going on, they use this instrument like tabla beating, this one. It is not tabla, it is called Ghatam. Ghatam. Vidwan Shiva Kumara. Venue means where is this actually will be. So that is the venue, the place. Gana Bharati Auditorium, Mysuru. Time 6 p.m. And note, please occupy your seat 10 minutes before the program begins. Children below 10 years are not allowed because they will not understand the musical concept, Carnatic classical music. So if that time if any disturbance in the hall, it's a matter. So better not to carry below 10 years. Keep your mobile phones on silent mode. Now you draft an invitation with a program chart to the concert of your favorite musician. So this is the chart, like notice inside the box. Please open textbook, page 100, 100, And 10th group, you have to make any invitation note in the pencil box. Write step by step in which way they have given the format in the SSLC English textbook. You have to always follow your board members in which way they have designed the course, in which way they are going to design the question paper. Test 2, page 100. Drafting a wedding invitation. This is a wedding invitation card which is designed by the parents of the bride. Read carefully. Wedding design card with terracotta, non-terracotta, these, that, so many ways all over India, all state people they are making. That is not a factor. That one decoration design according to their financial budget, they can do it. No problem. Problem will be there, format should be accurate whenever it is in English drafting. Mrs. This is the English pattern. Grandma's name or mother's name, that one will be first. Mrs. Not Mr. first. Mrs. Mrs. N. Ramaya and Mr. P. Siddhartha. Means if it is mother and father, then mother's name first and father's name. Mrs. Mr. If it is grandma, grandfather's, on behalf of that, somebody put it. Grandma, grandpa, if they are alive, then they put the name of grandma, grandpa. So grandma, Mrs. that, and then Mr. that. So this is the pattern, never forget. First the name of mother or grandmother. Means in which way you are going to dedicate your card. Senior Electrical Engineer, TKB Systems, Hubballi. Request the honor of your presence at the marriage of their daughter. It means mother and father. In Ramya and Mr. P. Siddhartha. If mother is not working also doesn't matter. Father is a businessman or service holder or a farmer or a shopkeeper, doesn't matter. You may give the designation, you may not give the. Some people give the designation, some people give the qualification stickers also. Some people don't give anything, only mother and father or grandmother, grandfather in this way. So that is not a factor. Factor is your format. That one you should keep it in your mind. Let's tell. Request the honor of your presence at the marriage of their daughter, Shukruta S. with Shashwat C. Now son of Srimati Shuranamma and Sri Chandra Shekharaya C. Lecturer in Sociology, Dharwad. On 23rd October 2017, so automatically you will sit for 21 exam. So your date and your format, everything, date and year will be 21. So, and after 1 week or 10 days, that one will be your date. Which month your SSLC examination. After English date, that date you will put it. If invitation letter or these things going on, or any notice or something, keep it in your mind. So, 11:20 AM to 11:55 AM at TR Samudaya Bhavana, number 99 PV Road, Dharwad. Reception and lunch to follow, or you may say reception and dinner to follow. You can understand it. No, if you are inviting for dinner, then reception and evening snacks and dinner. And if it is reception in the morning time when you are doing, then lunch. So you are providing that way. So your card drafting will be like that. That is your reception and lunch. So in which way you are throwing the party, accordingly it will be in your mind map and accordingly you will draft. Box will be there like notice, this invitation part, always pencil, sketch, box. You write down, then you make the box nicely. It will be good. Don't make the box fast. First you write down format and all. Then the big box you draw it in this way. I think I can make you clear and understand it well. 10th group. There should be no mistake. In this type of question, you will get maximum marks. Task 3. Imagine you are one of the parents, sisters, brothers of the bridegroom and draft an invitation. Well, page 101. So these all things now examples given very nicely. Keep it in your mind map and same drafting Only name will be changed, venue, the place will be changed, timing will be changed, it is for lunch or dinner, that one will be changed, date will be changed, all these things. Self-assessment, I read the invitation and knew the format, yes. I drafted an invitation with the help of my friends, yes. I reviewed, revised and redrafted an invitation, yes. I got feedback and shared my feedback with my friends, yes. I can draft such invitation on my own, yes. Learn grammar through communication. 101, 101, page 101, 10th group. Learn grammar. Finite and non-finite verbs, very important. Verbs can occur in sentences in a variety of shapes or forms. For example, if we take the verb write, this verb can be used in sentences in these 5 forms or shapes. Vinay writes will. Vinay and Vinay write to each other. The word is W-R-I-T-E. Now see, different application going on. Different ways according to the sentence movement, different type of application going on. Vinay writes, W-R-I-T-E-S. Well, Vinay and Vijay, W-R-I-T-E, to each other. Vinay wrote, past tense, already over, W-R-O-T-E. Vinay is writing, present continuous, ing, present continuous tense. Vinay has written, H-A-S, has, have, indicate present perfect tense. Vinay has decided to write. Taking the decision to write. Till now not written. TO2 infinitive, after infinitive always present tense word. That's all today. You read it. Shortly coming back with the next video lesson with the continued part. Thank you very much.